Hey guys, so today I'm going to make some yogurt from this because yogurt is expensive, so I'm just gonna make yogurt patties. Drink a few. Open your yogurt. Open your yogurt. Can put inside here. Yep, like that. Add the milk so it doesn't waste. Throw there. And then mix them all up. Add more milk. And then put it inside the milk. Like that. Close it like that, and then slowly mix them all. Like that. And then after that you can cover it with anything. Just cover it like this, and then put where there's no light. I cover it like this and wait for about a few minutes. I'm gonna put it up here, my messy seasoning. Okay, see you soon. Let's open this. Let's open this. See how it's. Whoa! It's working! Woo! It's working, guys. Let's try it first. Wow, look at that. It tastes good. It tastes good. It actually tastes sour and good. Listen. Whoa. Let's try this. Ooh. Ooh. So I just wake up and then I'm going to try this. Yum! Ooh! Ooh, this is so good.
So good, so good, so good, so good, so good, so good, so good. Mm, 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 mm.